Okay, this month I've been showing a lot of my beginner students how to play a bass line for We Wish You a Merry Christmas, which is basically we're going to go So breaking that down, we've got fret 3 of the A string, which is the note C. We go to fret 1 of the E string, which is the note F. Fret 5 of the A string, which is the note D. To fret 3 of the E string, which is the note G. Fret 7 of the A string, which is the note E. Fret 5 of the E string, which is the note A, back to the F, G and C.